Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a Dell laptop BIOS password, which we will see how to remove BIOS password without installing the BIOS or flashing the BIOS without removing BIOS chip. So you can see here we have to unlock the BIOS. So because we cannot change anything right now, as you can see here, to unlock we will click unlock, and we will see this serial number here. We have to put this serial number on the Google. Let's see, here it is Google. So we will type BIOS password in this BIOS password generator, this first website. Let me show you. We will type here this code. Now we will enter 7 KB.
Coming, but sometime coming. Really, it's 4 GB there. It's coming to me. Maybe 8 and 8 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM.
We have entered this serial code from here on the website. Now we will get password. Now here it is the result. This is the password. This second line. This is the password. Now we will enter this password here. Now here is one more thing. We will not press OK or enter. We have to click Control plus enter. You can see this is unlocked. Thank you very much to seeing the video. Thank you.